What are some common misconceptions people have around SEO, search, social that you feel like you're constantly correcting?
Well, there's several things. I think one of the newest things we're hearing all the time is I don't need a digital marketing company anymore. AI can run my Google ads. That is the thing I'm hearing left and right now. Well, that's great. We implement AI when we do run our ads, things like that, shopping habits and things like that. Like, it's very easy to pull all this stuff now with AI and PMAX and all these other things. I will say, though, you have to think about the compliance. So AI is not going to know your compliance. So just take that into consideration if you still want to be an agent. So that's a big thing that I'm hearing a lot. And then SEO, so many agents tell me like, well, I'm in a small town, like I always show up as number one. You might be until that new agent down the street shows up. And yes, what an agent may have on their side is time, because you're a 20-year agent. But guess what? If this brand new agent moves into town, now they're following all the Google best practices, they're going to end up outranking you. So now you're falling on that local pack. So I think it's just being consistent, engaged with everything you do, and then also knowing that all these pieces kind of fit together. Like running Google ads, you can connect them, and that helps your, ranking there. Social media now, that's going to help your SEO ranking. Just how everything kind of ties together, and you're just covering your bases from anywhere online possibly this person could be shopping for insurance.
For like Google reviews, that's obviously tying into SEO and your Google ads and everything. So I've heard all sorts of like theories as to like what's good, what's bad for Google reviews. So like I've heard like you want it to be like consistent. You don't just want to do like a mad dash and get as many as possible all at once.
You're right.
I've heard. Okay, so that's right. That one's real.
That's correct. That's a real thing.
Real thing. Okay.
So I'll give you an example.
Okay.
Well, I had a brand new agent, Florida. I will never forget this agent. She was so excited. First day on the job, I'm like, Google has no idea who you are. So I told her out the gate, I said, Google's about consistency and engagement. Set a goal for your guys' self. Hey, out the gate, we're going to get 5 to 10 reviews a month. And then as time goes on and you start establishing yourself on Google, start increasing that number. But what, to your point, you never want to get 50 in 1 month and none the next month. Google's going to give you a ding. So first day on the job, this agent, bless her, she got 37 reviews in the first hour. I am blowing her phone up. I'm like, stop getting Google reviews. I'm like, I don't even know where these are coming. I was like, stop. She goes, oh, well, I just decided to text every person in my phone and they wanted to support me. That's great. Sure enough, her Google account got flagged. And then you have to go through this verification process with Google, send videos, your business license, whole bunch of different steps. So it's like, just trust out the gate, think consistency and engagement. Let's just keep it consistent. So yes, it is a real thing.
Okay, that one's real. Okay. The other one is, should you be like regularly like putting new pictures like with your Google business account? Some say it does matter, some say it doesn't matter. Should you be doing new photos? Should you not?
Yes.
What do you, okay, yes, that one you
thing.
do. Yeah.
Consistency and engagement. So Google wants to see a base of photos built out, like with their algorithm. So like 3 interior, 3 exterior, 3 photos of your team, 3 photos at work. So you want to build out the base of photos, and then we need to consistently be dropping in photos as well. So over here at Melon, I'll say, whoever takes all the photos in your agency, sometimes office manager, sometimes it's an agent's wife, could be whoever, send me all the content you get. And then at Melon, we handle it from there. So we'll grab 2 or 3 photos every month, brighten them, crop them, make them look good. We're going to drop them into Google Business Profile. We're going to drop them into Yelp. And then I'm going to take those photos and push them out to all those other listings out there as well. So we're just staying consistent.
For the posting, for the reviews, it's just got to be similar, right? It's a similar number, number of posts, reviews, and then, okay, Google knows you're just not trying to game it, essentially.
Yeah. And, there's those fake companies out there that will and Google's cracking down on it a lot, where I don't know if you remember, last year, the algorithm changed and all these agents started getting all these reviews pulled down. So now I tell agents, some of them were trying to pay these companies and things like that. Well, Google knows. So Google's just going to pull them all down, and then it just sucks. You go from, 200 reviews and all of a sudden you're down to 50. I'm like, because they weren't legitimate to even begin with. We are a Google partner. So There has been times where I think Google's made a mistake. Don't tell Google that. But I had an agent, probably a couple months back. He got 9 reviews pulled down from Google. No explanation. Google just did it. We reached out on the agent's behalf and said, listen, these 9 reviews that got removed were current customers. They were on this agent's book of business. They should not have been removed. And we kind of fight the case on the agent's behalf. And sure enough, we got all 9 of them published back on the Google business profile. Now,
I didn't even know that was
always going to happen.
Yeah,
but,
I didn't even know that was a thing.
We'll fight as if we can. And I think being that Google Premier partner, they give us a little more love than say your average agent out there. So there's that.